Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by heated and ventilated seats, lane departure warning, and leather upholstery. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.